Today we are going to read 14th chapter of this novel and today's topic is on long-term focus. This is written by Tony Robbins and we will read this and see that what we can get from this chapter. So, in order to succeed, you must have long term focus. Most of the challenges in our lives come from a short term focus. It means if we want to succeed in a long term, so we have to focus on a long term task. Most of our challenges come because we focus on the short terms. I spent several long years starting one business after another, deluding myself that it was possible to build a six-figure business in a few months. Each time I failed to reach this goal, I closed one business and started working on another. Sometimes I worked on two or three ideas at the same time, thinking that one of them would surely succeed. Author is given his own example that how he used to start multiple business at a one time and he think that one of these would work in a future. I would have saved myself a lot of time if I had realized that I had a short term focus, and this attitude had been the very reason why I couldn't accomplish my goal. The moment I switched my mindset to that of being in it for the long haul, things start falling into a place. It means when author start focusing on a long term instead of the short term, so things start working out. When I took back at my other goal, I struggled in a similar way due to the same reason. In fitness, I wanted to build a well defined physique. As quickly as possible, I frequently reduced my daily calorie intake to levels that were impossible to maintain over the long term. In the end, I would have accomplished my goal more quickly by taking a more sustainable approach. That would take me a year or two to reach my goal. Then, fooling myself, I could reach it in 2 or 3 months. So there is one more example given that how author wanted to uh, build a well-defined physique, but he wanted as quickly as possible. So he start controlling his diet, and he wanted that in a 1 month or 3 month he will build a physique. But it is not possible because it take a time, it take a long year and sustainable approach, then we can accomplish this. Any other habit take a time to accomplish, otherwise that and in a very short term. In learning language, I wanted to learn new words as quickly as possible and soon found myself discouraged from looking at even one more word. I wanted to learn a few dozen words a day, but in the end, I would have accomplished more with a routine of learning just 5 to 10 words a day, but maintain and use over year, not just weeks or months. Analyze your goals and how you approach them. Replace short term oriented behavior with those that show that you are in it for the long haul. Self discipline isn't limited to rejecting a cake or sticking to an exercise habit. You also need self discipline to maintain a long term focus in all of your endeavors. So it doesn't mean that you don't have to be a self discipline. You have to be a self discipline to get your long term goal, but it doesn't mean that it will accomplish in a month. It takes times, whether it is fitness, learning anything new, or it is about your business and career. It all takes times, and gradually we fall in this process, and it requires amount of time which required it will take, then only it will accomplish, otherwise it is not going to accomplish anyway. For example, if you want to learn English, so you have to keep practicing every day no matter what, and it will not happen that you can learn this in new language in a 3 months, like you will take tuition and any coachings and you will learn it. You need to have it for a long time to reading, vocabulary and practicing, then you can only learn these things. Otherwise that is only for a few month and week, after that you will feel that nothing is working and you will give up. So I think this is a real story and we can learn so many things from this. And you can also comment down your thought that what do you think, and I would love to read those, whatever your thought is.